Hi guys, this is one of our projects we have been working on for the past few months, and now the project is coming back to shape, and we have currently started some of the interior wooden work finishes. This is why, and we are working on it. Let me take you inside and see. Firstly, let's see the surrounding view of this project. Check around. This paint you are seeing here is called a weather sheet paint. This is called dove gray and dark gray color. This is a weather sheet paint. Look at how smooth it is on the wall. This type of paint is what we use for an area that can withstand high humidity area. This is weather sheet paint, and is one of the best exterior paint. We have dove gray and dark gray. So this is just one of the rental apartment parts. So we are still setting up the fittings. This is why I said in some of my old video that you should always do your fittings after toilet fittings after tiling. So we are trying to set up the fittings here. This is the kitchen of the rental apartment side. So let's move into the main apartment and see the beautiful part of this project. This project is located in Ogun State precisely. And this is a marble. This is the marble we want to use for our kitchen design. This is the marble top. So it's the finishing. This is just the assembling process. The concept of gray is what we are using. This is the washing machine. And this is our elevator. And these are our microwaves. These are our gas cooker and the oven, the heat extractor, all joined. So this is the main living room. This is just a simple.
Ẹ ń dá padà òṣìṣẹ́ ìṣe táǹkọ́ ní ìṣe táyé wà ní ti ẹgbẹ́ ni ilé ìkan ìròlélẹ̀ mú àwọn ọlọ́wà ọ̀lẹ́ ní ìṣòro àwọn ọlọ́bìnrin ti ń dá padà láti wọ̀ pọ́tọ́ tó ń tà láyé wọ́n tọ́ dà.
So guys, this is a modular kitchen. We are trying to set up this small kitchen. It's about 3 by 2.5 meter. So in this kitchen we have this LED light is going to have glass. Then this is our washing machine. Then we are going to have marble. This is the burner, the gas cooker with a burner, with an oven. It's a 4 burner, and this is the 8 extractor. This is the microwave, the elevator. Yeah, this is a modular kitchen design, and this is a elevator for your shoe, for your plates and other accessories. So Guys, this is a modern kitchen. This spot and the other spot are going to have a profile glass, and that's it. Just this is all a simple minimal kitchen design with a eye gloss door design. So this is a glass door, kitchen glass door. So this is a kitchen glass door going into the kitchen. At least you can view from here. This is our kitchen glass door. So looking at here, these are utility room. So this small space under the staircase, we use it as a utility room. But although we are going to provide some ventilation system, so we're going to provide space for our inverter and other power accessories. Then this is a small wine bar, and this is for the glass cup. Coming to the living room, we have our design with a PVC, with a fluted panel. This color is called grey. At least from the outside of the house, you can view that the concept of this house is a grey, dark and light grey with white. That is the concept of the door, that is the concept of the fluted panel, that is the concept of the chair design. Coming into the room, we have so bíbá yìí ibi ẹgbẹ́ yìí ẹ ṣe lẹ edge tape mọ́.
ok ibẹ̀ àwọn àwọn àfẹ láti túbọ̀ báyìí.
Ẹ lẹ edge tape mọ́ lọ́dà kò ní show.
yẹ kó pọ̀ sí i.
No go make the match of this time with a fluted panel, and this side is going to have a mirror. This has a mirror, a design mirror with an LED lighting system. So that's the interior concept design. Coming upstairs, you can see the walkway is designed with a fluted panel. This is about 5 or 6 door system, and this is about 8.5 feet. This is about 8 to 9 feet door wardrobe designed with eye glass door. This side is going to be a mirror stand, so there will be a mirror design. Then this is the master table design. This is just a little master table for office work and other things. Then this side is going to be a TV stand. This wall side is going to be a so guys, this is for very concept. You can see the door. We have effect of grey and white. That's the concept coming from the outside. These are the concept of the interior concept of this house.